Good afternoon, everyone. It's 3 p.m. and we're having our late lunch. We are here at Contis Bake Shop and Restaurant, and we feel this is as far as our feet can bring us because we are super hungry. And this is one of the best restaurants here at Greenbelt 2, Makati. Actually, we came from Healthway, Greenbelt 5 to have a physical checkup. And we got done for around 2:30, so now is the only time that we can have our lunch. It is only today that I went out of the house since pandemic. If not only for my physical checkup, it is only today that I saw in person what Makati looks like during this pandemic. Very few people around, very few mall goers, and a lot of business establishments are closed. Okay, now let's eat. I can't wait. I am with this little girl who's not too little anymore. Alright, what do you have there? Okay, she's taking baked prawns with garlic rice and salad combined with green mango. Mine would be salmon salpicao, also with garlic rice and combined with ripe mango shake. This is Contis New Zealand pasta with mussels and mushrooms. This will be for sharing. Okay, now let's dig in. Contis Salmon Salpicao, I think, is the best. It is so tasteful, so flavorful, and you can taste that garlicky flavor, but the garlic is not bitter. Okay, let me just mix this New Zealand pasta with mussels and mushrooms. This pasta is so creamy. And they used big quality mussels. Flat noodles were the ones used here. And it is not soggy, al dente. Very good taste as well. Partnered with 2 pieces of garlic bread. Now I'm halfway with my food. We really ate fast, so we can immediately get out of this place and get some fresh air where it is safer. Thank you, Contis. We're done and we're getting out now. As we stepped out of Contis restaurant, we met this guard who thanked us, and he's so friendly and his public relations skill is superb. We just scanned the environment and you see, this is Makati. You wouldn't expect people to be so few. Maybe because many offices are now work at home. Even restaurants, they have very few diners. This is Kuya Guard. His name is Bayuman. Conti should be proud of his services. Happy and proud. Bye, Kuya. Bye. A delivery man just came out of the door of Contis. And he said he's going to deliver at Don Bosco. He's bringing a lot of packages. There, we get it. People are not dining in. People are having their stuff delivered. And that is how it should be during this pandemic. So I witnessed. Personally, this is how Makati is now. One long stretch of corridor and you wouldn't see anybody. Just wave, wave. No handshakes. No physical contact, just social distancing. Have your food delivered. As much as possible, don't go out. Except for essentials. Order your food, have it delivered at your home. At the same time, we are helping delivery people and keeping businesses afloat. If you're one of the people who's having your food delivered, please comment below and do subscribe. Click the bell button so you get to be notified for our next videos. Thanks for watching.